When the chill of winter sets in, or you need a quick burst of warmth for your space, a reliable heater becomes indispensable. This Morento Space Heater for indoor use, a thoughtfully designed 1500-watt electric heater that combines cutting-edge technology, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features to ensure maximum comfort. Whether you're curling up in the bedroom, working in your office, or relaxing in the living room, this small yet powerful heater is your go-to solution for tailored warmth. Designed with dual functionality, ultimate temperature control, and safety at its core, the Morento heater doesn't just warm up your space, it transforms your comfort experience. Let's explore the detailed features, benefits, and why this heater deserves a spot in your home. 1. The power of dual functionality. The Morento Space Heater stands out for its 2-in-1 heater and fan modes, making it a year-round companion. Here's what sets it apart. Heating modes. With 1500 watts for powerful heating and 900 watts for energy-saving warmth, it's suitable for various room sizes and conditions. Fan mode. Perfect for warmer months, the fan mode provides a gentle breeze, ensuring this device serves a purpose no matter the season. This flexibility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you both space and money, while keeping your comfort intact. Number 2. Ultimate temperature control for custom comfort. One of the standout features of the Morento heater is its Eco Mode, a smart setting designed for energy efficiency without compromising on warmth. Adjustable heat settings. You can easily set your desired temperature between 41 °C and 95 °C. The Eco Mode will automatically optimize the power usage based on the ambient temperature. Personalized comfort. Whether you're looking for a cozy bedroom or a warm office space, this heater adapts to your preferences with ease. This level of control ensures that you're not just warm, but also saving on energy costs in the long run. Number 3. A safe heating solution for peace of mind. Safety is a priority with the Morento heater. It comes equipped with a multi-protection security system to prevent accidents. Overheat protection automatically shuts down if the heater exceeds safe temperature limits. Tip over safety. If the heater gets accidentally knocked over, it powers off instantly to avoid any mishaps. 24-hour timer. After 24 hours of continuous operation, the heater will turn off, ensuring safe and efficient usage. This makes the Morento heater an ideal choice for homes with children or pets, offering you peace of mind while it works to keep you warm. 4. Quiet and efficient heating. Gone are the days of noisy heaters disrupting your peace. The Morento Space Heater operates at less than 35 decibels, making it one of the quietest options available. Whisper quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or workspaces where silence is golden. Fast heating. With its advanced heating technology, the heater warms up quickly, providing immediate relief from the cold. Its portability ensures you can easily move it between rooms, creating a cozy atmosphere wherever you need it most. 5. Intuitive LED display for ease of use. The user-friendly LED display is designed to enhance your experience, offering complete control over the heater's functions. Temperature readout. Easily monitor and adjust the room temperature to your liking. Countdown timer. The heater features a 30-second countdown when turned off, dissipating residual heat for added safety. Simple controls. Adjusting the settings is a breeze, ensuring that even first-time users can operate the heater with confidence. 6. Compact design, big impact. The Morento Space Heater's sleek and compact design makes it ideal for small spaces like bedrooms, offices, and apartments. Its portability doesn't compromise on power, ensuring every corner of your space gets warm. Perfect for gifting. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Morento Space Heater makes a practical and appreciated present for housewarmings, holidays, or anyone needing a reliable indoor heater. Conclusion. Transform your comfort with Morento. This Morento Space Heater for indoor use is more than just a heater. It's a complete comfort solution tailored to your needs. With advanced features, energy-saving capabilities, and a design that prioritizes safety, this heater ensures a warm and cozy environment in the most efficient way possible. Whether you're battling the winter chill or looking for an all-season appliance, the Morento heater delivers. Its compact size, quiet operation, and advanced controls make it a must-have for any home or office. Don't let the cold catch you off guard. Invest in the Morento Space Heater today, and experience the perfect blend of warmth, safety, and efficiency. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.